Hello guys, I'm very glad that you're joining me on this particular video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about a new update that I just find out right now on the Jupiter Exchange wallet. So it's a very new update to me because I just find out about it right now. So on this particular video, we are going to be talking about it. We are going to see if we can be able to claim something reasonable from this particular new update that I'm about to share with you guys right now. Welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel, as you guys know, I talk about crypto and how to make money online and even AI. So on this particular video guys, we are going to be talking about this Jupiter Exchange update about how we can be able to get to claim our soul refund. Okay, claim your funds right here. So we are going to be talking about it. This is basically we are claiming a kind of, I think, a gas fee that we have spent on the Solana blockchain. I'm going to be checking the whole stuff out right now. So for you out there watching this video, to get started, what you need to do is very simple. Simply pay close attention and watch the video till the end. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your Play Store or Apple Store, download this particular app called Jupiter Mobile Wallet. So once you download it, then go ahead and open it. So if you haven't imported your wallet, you can simply import your Solana wallet right here. That is use a wallet where you are most active on. Okay, so once you just import that your wallet, you are going to be having your interface like mine. So from here right now, you can see we have something saying claim your funds. Okay, reclaim souls from 2 accounts, because basically I have 2 accounts on this device. I have 2 accounts which I can easily switch on. So what we are talking about this particular one right here. So I will go ahead and click on claim your funds. Once I click on claim your funds, you can see we have this right here. Okay, empty accounts, 2 accounts with 0 token. Okay, I'm going to be getting 0.002 Solana from one, and I'm going to be getting 0.002 Solana from the other. So over here on these 2 accounts, in total I'm getting $0.336 completely free of charge. I know this is very small, but that is because I'm not active on the Solana blockchain. For those of you out there who are very active on the Solana blockchain, who are making trades on the on Solana blockchain, this is a very good update for you because it's going to allow you claim a very reasonable amount of money. All right, so because I'm not active, I'm only going to be getting something very little. So I will click on claim. So clicking on claim right now, you can see I'm about to claim 2 tokens right here, and both of them worth $0.3, and you can see the network fee is very small, $0.001. So this action cannot be reversed. Please check the detail carefully before proceeding. I will click on confirm. Right now I will just input my identification, and over here guys, you can see we have successfully claimed right here, reclaimed successful. So this is simply all you need to know right now. And over here guys, I think my Solana balance just increased right now, I guess. Okay, so for you out there who is trading very actively on the Solana blockchain, you can go ahead and of course check out this particular update. Okay, you can see my balance also changed right here. So check out this particular update and of course claim your refund from the Solana blockchain. So it's all as simple as that. So over here guys, on my notification, you can see, okay, you can see I just got this notification right now, meaning that we have actually received something. Okay, so it is all as simple as that guys. So go ahead, check out your Solana wallet, check out what you can be able to claim it. Let me know right there on the comment section how much you were able to claim, or if you are even eligible to claim. All right, so let me know the airdrop that you are currently active on. Let us know on the comment section the type of airdrop that you are very much actively farming this period, so that a lot of us can join you. Thank you for watching the video guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I'm going to be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.